Why choose FR Solutions for your Nutanix services? Well, we're the largest US service provider and a North American champion-level service delivery partner for Nutanix, one of only 3. Our team, as skilled as, if not more than, Nutanix's own. From product installations to maintenance, from migrations including those from VMware to Nutanix, we've got you covered. Designing your hybrid cloud solution? We're on it. Need skilled resources? We provide. And the best part? We offer the best rates, no haggling necessary. Our professional services can be accessed through Nutanix, any reseller, or for the best rates and return on investment directly through us. Our team, all Nutanix certified, consistently achieves the highest customer service satisfaction ratings. But that's not all. We also offer innovative IT staffing solutions, expert mainframe services, and speedy VMware to Nutanix migrations. Ready to learn more? Head to FRSolutionsCorp.com and click the Contact Us button. One of our staffing solutions experts will be in touch within 24 hours. Choose FR Solutions, your one-place shop for all your IT staffing needs.